Peace be upon you all. Today, we're going to learn a simple method to test real raw diamond using a metal file. If you enjoy this type of content, tests and experiments to identify meteorites and gemstones, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, we start with the first stone and run the file across its surface. We immediately notice that the stone gets scratched, which means it's not real. Same test on the second stone. This time, we see that it doesn't get scratched at all, and this is one of the signs of real raw diamond. Finally, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new content.